Hi, good morning all. I welcome you all to HashLearn Studios. I am Girish K. So today's session is about the topic geometry. So in this topic we will focus on various concepts which are involved in geometry and also the problems on that particular topic. So when it comes for the topic geometry, generally we concentrate on triangles and circles. Triangles and circles. So let me draw a triangle. As you all know, you have studied in your high school, sum of all the three angles A, B, C will be equal to 180 degree, and the condition when you have a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square will be equal to sum of other two sides square, BC square. And also you should note important, if the angle B is 90 degree, then angle A plus angle C, the remaining two angles, their sum will be also 90 degree. Suppose if you have an equilateral triangle, all the sides will be equal, all the sides will be equal, and all the angles will be equal if it is an equilateral triangle. Suppose if it is an isosceles triangle, iso triangle is the one where two sides are equal, this side and this side are equal, means angle opposite to the side, this is x, this also will be x, angle opposite the sides, isosceles sides are equal. So that is the concept of isosceles triangle. Then when it comes for circle, you know that area of a circle is pi r square and circumference is 2 pi r. If you concentrate on the sector of a circle, area of sector is theta by 360 into total pi r square is the total area. Similarly, what we call this as arc length, that is S, 2 pi r is the total circumference. When you multiply it by theta divided by 360, you will get the arc length of the sector. Then regarding circle, you should also know, if you draw a tangent from an external point to the circle like this, the length of the tangents from the external point to the circle will be equal. This distance will be equal to, if this is a point, this is A, this is B, they will be equal, and if these two are equal, the respective angles are also equal. This is the concept regarding the triangle and the circle. So with this basics, we shall start solving the problems on geometry. Here is the first question. The question is, in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC is equal to A. AC is equal to AC. Angle A is given x plus 15, B is given 2x plus 25, and what is the angle C they are asking you. So what is the condition they have given, just you can make a note. AB, distance is same as AC. if this is same as this, you know that these two angles will be same. Angles opposite to same sides are equal. So what is your angle B? It is 2x plus 25. So this fellow is also 2x plus 25. Then what will be angle A? Angle A is given as x plus 15. You know the rule. What is the rule? All the three angles should add and give you 180 degree. So once you add all the three angles, what does that will give you? X, 2x, 2x. That will give you 5x. 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 15, 180. So 5x is equal to 180 minus 65. That will give you 115. X is equal to 115 by 5. So 5 2s are 10. On 3. So your x is equal to 23. What is the angle C they are asking you? Therefore, you know that angle C will be 2x plus 25. That will give you 2 into 23, 25. So 5, 6, unit digit is 1. Unit digit is 1, which option? Unit digit is 1 in option C. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 is 11. Unit digit is 1. Unit digit is 1 in only option C. That is your answer. That is 71 degree. Okay, fine. So here you have to note two important concepts. All the three angles when you add, you should get in a triangle sum as 180 degree, and if all three sides are equal, it is a equilateral triangle, all the angles are same. If it is a isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Yeah. So with this, we shall move on to the second problem. There are three angles of a triangle A minus B, B minus C, then angle ABC R. See, they have given in the order angle A, angle B, angle C. A minus B is 18. You can use the substitution method. If you subtract the angles A and B, if you subtract the angles A and B, you should get 18 degree. So which option is giving you 18 degree? You can always check with the options one by one. What is 80 minus 60? Is 20. 70 minus 60, 10. 82 minus 64, this will give you 18. Again, what is angle B minus C? This minus this. 64 minus 34 will give you the difference as 30. Therefore, the above conditions are obeyed in option C, that is 82 minus 64. If this is angle A, this is angle B, that will give you 18 degree. If this is angle B, angle C, 64 minus 34, that will give you 30 degree. So answer is option C. So the best way of answering this problem is check the option satisfying the given condition. Okay, fine, then let's go to the next. If the arcs of the same length in two circles subtend angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the centers, then the ratio of the radii is. arc is of same length. Arc is of same length. Two circles subtend 60 degree and 75 degree. What is the ratio? See, remember, S is equal to r theta, or S is equal to theta divided by 360 into arc length is 2 pi r. Arc length is 2 pi r. So, either you can use this one or you can use the second one. Since the arcs are of same length, S1 is same as S2. So, R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2, where R1 is the radius of the first circle, R2 is the radius of the second circle, theta 1 and theta 2 are the respective angles of two circles. So, what else he is asking? He is asking you to find their radii ratios. So, just you can put the angle R1 into 60 degree, R2 into 75 degree, that will give you R1 by R2 is equal to 75 by 60. 15 5s are, 15 4s are, that should be your 5:4. So, 5:4 is in option C. So, here to be noted, since he is telling you the arcs are of same length, we are equating S1, which is the arc length of first circle, and S2 is the arc length of second circle. Okay, let us move on to the next question again. In a triangle ABC, BC is extended up to D. Angle ACD is equal to 150 degree. Then angle A then angle B is equal to 1/4 of angle A, then angle B is equal to how much is the question. See here, in a triangle ABC, if this is your triangle A, B, C, BC is extended up to D, such that A, C, D is 150 degree. Angle B is 1/4 of angle A. Angle B is 1/4 of angle A. You know that if this is 150, this will be automatically will be 30. If this is 150 degree, this plus this will be equal to angle B plus angle A. Attention, this angle plus this angle will be equal to ACD, that is 150 degree. When you put that here, since it is 1/4 of angle A, what does that will give you angle A? 5 times A, better I will write this way, is equal to 150. 4A plus 1 is 5A by 4. So, you can cancel, 5 3s are 15. A will be equal to 4 into 3 is 120 degree. Therefore, what is angle B? 1/4 of angle A So angle A will be 1/4 120, that will be equal to 4 3s are 12. There is an option with 30 degree. So here this is one important note. In a triangle, angle B plus angle A will be same as 150 degree. Okay, then we shall go to the next problem. DEF are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA, AB respectively of the triangle. Okay. D, this is A, this is B and this is C. DEF, D is the midpoint of BC, CA is E, AB is F. Respectively, then the ratio of the areas of DEF and ABC. See here, what you can prove, since this is the midpoint, this will be parallel to this. These two are midpoints, FE will be parallel to BC, and F and D are the midpoints and this will be parallel to AC. By the properties of triangle you can prove that 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 triangles will have same area. Therefore, if they are of same area, I will name them as X, 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 X. And also you can look at the triangle by looking at their graphical area, we may feel that they are of same area, and that is true. DEF, what is the ratio of the area DEF? Area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC. So by looking at this, DEF will be X, the total area of triangle DEF, and whereas the total triangles area will be, ABC area will be 1, 2, 3, 4, that will be 4x. When x is cancelled, 1 by 4 is the ratio. 1 by 4 is the ratio of the respective areas of the triangles. Okay, fine, then let us go to the next one. So in an equilateral triangle of side 16, the length of the altitude is, so you have to make a note of certain things which I will explain you here. If you have an equilateral triangle, you should make a note, the angles will be 60 degree, okay, the angles will be 60 degree if you have an equilateral triangle, and if you want to find the altitude, you know that this is x, and the total side will be of x, whereas this side will be x by 2. and this is 60 degree and this will become 30 degree then. The triangle is an equilateral triangle of side 16. So, x is given as 16 now, then the length of the altitude. The best way to answer is altitude is h. See here, you know that if you have a side like this, if it is making an angle 60 degree, if you want an altitude, you have to take the vertical component. Vertical component of this fellow is 16 into sine 60 degree. 16 into sine 60 degree is the vertical component. That is going to give you the answer. You know what is sine 30 is half, whereas sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So, which is your option C? Vertical component is x into sine 60 or 16 into sine 60. There is a direct formula also, you can make a note. Altitude, which we denote by h, is root 3 by 2 times a. Area, root 3 by 4 into a square, where a is the side of an equilateral triangle. You can either use direct formula or you can use the concept of vertical component. If you want the base of the right angle triangle or half of the triangle in equilateral triangle, that can be done by horizontal component. 16 into cos 60 will give you horizontal component, and 16 into sine 60 will give you the vertical component of the triangle. So, if you do the direct formula also, you will get the same answer, 8 root 3. Yeah, here is a problem on the previous session's contest question. The problem says that two ladies. So, generally before you do this problem, denote the standard sign conventions. This will be east, this will be west, this will be north, and this will be south. That is the sign notations which we are going to follow. Let us go to the problem now. Two ladies and two men are playing cards, fine, and they are seated north, two ladies north, east. So, let me check. Two ladies, if I say here and here, southwest, if I say men like this. And they are saying no ladies facing east. No ladies facing east means this lady is in correct position. Persons sitting opposite to each other are not of same sex. That is fine. This can be justified. MM can be beside and LL can be beside. One man is facing south. So, if the man is facing south means the lady should not sit here, because man should face south means your man should come here. So, we will change lady to south, lady to south. So, which directions are the ladies facing? Fine. Now, let us cross check the question is matching with the representations along the various direction. Two ladies and two men are playing cards and seated north, east, south, west. No ladies facing west, fine. This lady is, no lady is facing east means the lady is facing west and this lady is facing north, fine. We are okay with that, ladies? Persons sitting opposite to each other are not of the same sex. Man, lady, lady and man, that is fine. One man is facing south, there is one man, this fellow is facing south, absolutely right. Then which directions are the ladies facing? Very simple, this lady is facing north, this lady is facing north and the other lady is facing west. So answer is option D. Answer is option D. North and west, the two ladies are facing towards the north and west. Okay, fine, let us come to the contest time. Please go through the question and answer the problem correctly. The question is, the tangents drawn at A and B on the circumference of a circle intersect at P if angle APB is 30 degree, then what is the measure of the angle PAB? So this is the concept I have revised you in the starting. Please make use of that and get the answer. Then come to the next problem. So please go through the problem carefully, and they are asking you to find the value of x, and the options are in degrees. The angles of a triangle are given as 3x degree, 2x minus 7 degree, 4x minus 11 degree. Okay, so they have given already 3 degrees. There are 3 angles. So you know the basic rule, if you add them, they should give you 180 degree. 3x, 2x minus 7, 4x minus 11, 180, 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x, 9x, minus 18 is equal to 180, 9x is equal to 180 plus 18, so 198, 9x, x is 198 by 9, let us check, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and 9 twos are 18, so x is 22 degree. Is there any option of that kind? There is an option C, which gives you 22 degree. Okay, any confusions? Fine. Let us go to the next example. O is the circumcenter. O is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. AO is equal to 8 centimeter, then the length of BO is what? O is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Then how the diagram will be? This is how your diagram will be. Circumcenter of the triangle ABC, AO is equal to 8 means this is O. You have to make a note. Circumcenter means the distances from the vertices the circumcenter is a point which is that is O, they are given here. O is a point which is equidistant from all the three vertices of a triangle ABC. Means this is given as 8, so that also will be 8 and this also will be 8. Is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to 8. Then the length of BY is what? Option D. So you have to make a note of this definition. Circumcenter, O is a point which will be of same distance from the three vertices A, B, C respectively. Okay, fine. Then let us come to the next example here. The incenter of an equilateral triangle lies inside the triangle and its radius is 6 centimeter, then the side of the equilateral triangle. Okay, there is an equilateral triangle like this, and this is your circle. Yes, this is your circle. I will name this as ABC, and this is what your incenter of an equilateral triangle lies inside the triangle, and its radius is 6 centimeter. See, if I draw a perpendicular, this will be 6 centimeter, which is nothing but the radius. Then the side of an equilateral triangle. Then they are asking you to find what is this side. The side will be AC, and that also will be same is equal to this length and this length. So remember, there is a direct rule, direct result. The direct result is, just make a note of this one. The Inradius of an equilateral triangle. Inradius equilateral triangle of side x will be equal to x into root 3 divided by 6. Yes, x into root 3 divided by 6. Therefore, what is the radius he has given? 6. So this will be 36 by root 3. 36 by root 3 can be written as multiply by root 3 and divide by root 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. There is an option with 12 root 3. There is an option called as 12 into root 3. So please make a note of this result, which is a very important result that you can easily get by just constructing a triangle. These two will become isosceles triangle. This angle will be same as this angle, which you can find. This is the very important result which you can remember. Inradius of an equilateral triangle of side x is always x into root 3 times by 6. Okay. Then we shall go to the next example. In a triangle ABC, BAC is 90 degree means your angle A is at 90 degree and AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, AD is 6 centimeter, BD is equal to 4 centimeter, then the length of BC is. Just draw a rough sketch. If you draw a rough sketch, so BAC and you are marking angle A to be at 90 degree, AD is perpendicular to BC. So this is BC, and if you drop a perpendicular, it will be like this. We name it as D, and AD is given as 6 centimeter and BD length is given as 4 centimeter. Only this length, and they are asking you to find the length of BC. Okay, fine. So when they give you all these results, what is the rule by Pythagoras theorem? What you can say the rule? Pythagoras theorem rule: BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So you can easily say BC is BD plus DC. BD plus DC is BD plus DC is total BC. Then what will be AC square? AB square can be written as, this is the hypotenuse. AC square can be written as AD square plus DC square. AC square is written as AD square plus DC square, and AB square can be written as AD square plus BD square. Attention, AC square can be written as this square plus this square, and AB square can be written as this square plus this square. So if you do the simplification, hope you will be able to find BC. It is asking to find the length of BC. Okay. So what are the terms that are going to cancel here? BD square plus DC square plus 2 times BD into DC, AD square plus DC square plus AD square plus BD square. So BD square DC square will cancel with BD square DC square. So AD square 2 times BD is how much? B into D is BD is 4, DC is we will find DC, and AD square is 6 square and 6 square. So that will give you C will be equal to, or DC will be equal to 36 plus 36 is 72 by 4 into 2 is 8. So that will give you 8 9s are 72, therefore your BC length will be equal to BD plus DC, which will be same as 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 centimeter, which is there in the option C. There is an option C which is equal to 13 centimeter. So here we are using the concept of Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle, there is a first right angle triangle which is A, B, C. There is a second right angle triangle like this. This is A, this is D, and this is C. There is a third right angle triangle something like this. This is D, this is A, this is B. So make use of 3 right angle triangles, apply Pythagoras theorem, substitute in the main triangle, and you will be able to get the answer. Okay, fine. So these were the few examples on geometry, the problems on triangles, right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and circles and sectors. There are a couple of problems which is given to you in the form of CPPs, which you can try in the home. Thanks for joining us. See you all again. Bye.